Hello everybody on YouTube, welcome to Toonyman's TV channel. Today we have an unboxing for the Presto 05420 Fry Daddy electric deep fryer. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, let's see here. First thing we gotta do is cut this open. Alright. A box inside another box. Put this on the side. As we can see, this is the Fry Daddy deep fryer. Alright. As you can see, Fry Daddy deep fryer. Alright. First thing we got is the lid that comes with it for storing purposes, and a menu. Real men don't need menus. And the bucket itself. Quite spacious. I thought it was going to be smaller than this, but it's pretty good. You can see it's got a handle, and then you could put this. I think it goes on top of this, like so. Fits like a glove. Alright. I'm going to use this today. Alright. This is the cable. This right here. Spoon. The scooper that comes with it. And nothing else in the box. I don't want to use a knife because I might cut the cable. So we're just going to unwrap this like this. Alright. See, this is the cable that goes to the bucket. Something like this. It's a complete set with the scooper and the lid. Now, the next thing we have to do is try it out, see how it works. We'll get back to you on that. Just look at her roar. This is the what you get. Pretty good. It works pretty good. Let's see here. Crispy chicken. Homemade crispy chicken. Look at that. Nice. Nice sort of work. Check that out, baby. Sad thing is that it doesn't have any light indicator, and there's no cover that you can put on top. And according to the instructions, they say not to put anything over it. So I'm going to leave it like it is. I just hope all that oil doesn't fly up, you know, and mess my counter up. But other than that, not too shabby. See? Alright. I'm going to eat real good tonight.